Generics in Java. Generics tell Java what type of data you want to use, so Java can protect you from mistakes. Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine you have a box. Without generics, this box can store anything. You put something inside, but later, you're not really sure what's in it. That's risky. Now with generics, you label the box. You say, this box is only for strings, or this box is only for numbers. That label is called generics. Generics tell Java what type of data you want to use, so Java can protect you from mistakes. So now Java knows exactly what kind of data is allowed. Without generics, Java says, okay, I'll accept anything. Good luck later. But with generics, Java says, you said string, so I will allow only string. This is why generics are powerful. Generics in Java allow us to write code that works with different data types in a safe and controlled way. Now, why do we use generics? First, type safety. Generics prevent wrong data from entering your code. Second, code reusability. You can write the same code once and use it for multiple data types. Why does this really matter? Without generics, Java allows wrong data, and errors appear while the program is running, which is bad. With generics, Java catches mistakes while you're writing the code, which is good. So your code feels safer, cleaner, and more predictable.